Hi, my name is Lum Jing Kai and my number metric is 2210614111. And now I'm going to propose about the fuzzy system that we are doing, which title fuzzy based fire risk detection system for the smart homes. And what is the problem statement? As the problem statement is that nowadays the traditional fire alarm systems are typically threshold based, meaning they only trigger alerts when sensor values exceed the fixed levels. And this approach has two significant drawbacks, which are high false alarm rates and also the potential delays in the response. So, to solve this problem, we got the proposed solutions, which is we got proposed the development of a fuzzy inference system that can intelligently assess a fire risk based on the integration of two key environmental variables, which are in the coding. As you can see, we got the input as the smoke to detect the smoke level, and the input 2 is the temperature rise rate. And these inputs are falsified using the triangular and trapezoidal membership function to represent the linguistic terms such as you can see the low, medium, high for the smoke level and also the slow, moderate, fast for the temperature rise rate. So for our input one smoke level, we got I got just put it as low, medium, and high, and the low range is between 0 to 300 and the medium one is 300 until 600 and the high range is 600 until 1000. And for my input to temperature rise rate, I set it for the slow range is between 0 until and the moderate range is 3 until 6 and the fast is between 6 until 10. And for my output is the fire risk level as well, and the range is between 0 until 100%. So I would like to show about for my smoke graph, which I mentioned just now. For the low properties, it is using the trapezium membership function, and my medium is using a triangular membership function, and my high is using the trapezium membership function as well. And for my temperature rise rate, is also the same as the coding, which the slope is using the trapezium membership function, and moderate is triangular membership function, and the fast is using the trapezium membership function. While the output is all the three of the properties, no risk, middle risk, and high risk, they are also using the triangular membership function. Now I'm going to talk about the rules and set, as this code is the rules based as well, and I've set it as about 9 rules, which the first rule is if the smoke is low and temperature rise is low, then the fire risk defined is no risk. And for the second rule, if the smoke is low and the temperature rise is moderate, then the fire risk is medium risk. And for the third rule, if the smoke is low and temperature rise is fast, then the fire risk will define as the high risk, and so on of the rules. And after talk about all these rules, I will just save the FIS file to the file. As I run it, then the FireRay system.fish file will be saved successfully. So next for my testing part, after the save file is being loaded, we are going to input the smoke value and also temperature value in order to see about the output percentage, and this part are the range of the fire risk level based on the rules I have set just now. So here are the results that it will be displayed. And for example, right now, as I said, smoke as 200, which is the low, considered as low in the smoke properties, and the temperature rise is 2, which is considered as low in the temperature rise rate. Then the output be said that is no risk. So how I'm going to convince that is perfect or not, is true or not. I can refer back to my rule editor, and it is totally same as the first rule, which is if my smoke is low, which is 200, and the temperature rise is low, which is 2, then my fire risk will be show no risk, which is 15.30%. So now I also would like to test about for the second input, which I will going to put the smoke as 700, which considered as high in the smoke, and temperature rise is 4, which is considered as moderate in the temperature rise rate properties. So what is the output after I run? Then it will show that it's 83.92, which is high risk. So as I can refer back to my rules editor, is totally as same as the rules number 8. So if the smoke is high, which is 700, and the temperature rise is moderate, which is 4, then the fire risk will give us that it is high risk. So now I would also like to show about the rule viewer in order to see that whether it's the same as my coding input or not, as I put my smoke value to 700 and my temperature rise is 4. Okay. It also will come out the fire rate is 83.9%, which is totally same as the coding output. So this also shows that my fuzzy system is successful to detect the fire rate. So that's all. Thank you.